Hey guys, it's Matt here with Solas Propellers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our RBX-111 Hub Kit. First things first, you're going to want to make sure that everything is off the propeller shaft. You want to make sure that you have a clean, empty shaft before installing the new prop. And the only hardware you're going to be reusing is your locking nut and cotter pin. First thing, you're going to put on the RBX thrust washer. Then that's followed by the RBX propeller. Then after that, you have your aft spacer, followed by the locking nut. And for the exact specifications, you're going to want to check with your engine owner's manual. And lastly here, you have your cotter pin.